morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Kate Monteroso speaking. How may I help you?
Morning. I want to order.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Anil Anama and my room is 053.
Okay, sir. May I take your order now?
I would like to order a bread with hot dog and orange juice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Would you like to try own coffee, the best seller?
No thanks.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? Your order is bread with hot dog and orange juice. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your order will be served as soon as possible. Maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Good morning, sir. My name is Jade Monteroso. Your room service for today and here the room service. May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Here's your order, sir. Would you like to put your breakfast, sir? Okay. Okay. Is there anything you need, sir?
That's fine.
Okay, may I present your bill na, Mr. Anama? When would you like me to clear the sold dishes, Mr. Anama?
Be back in 1 hour.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am here to clean up. May I come in?
Also, please come in.
How would you like our breakfast, sir?
Finish. Okay.
Thank you for the compliment, sir. May I remove now your sold dishes? Thank you, sir.